Thinking about trading with Weltrade, wondering if it's legit or just another forex scam? I'll show you the real truth about Weltrade, the good, the bad, and whether it's actually worth your money. And if you're a new trader, no fluff, no hype, I'm giving you the full breakdown. I'll break down key aspects like Weltrade history, regulations, trading platforms, fees, what makes Weltrade unique, pros and cons, my personal opinion. Make sure you stay tuned until the end. I've got exclusive bonuses just for you. Yes, you, future billionaire trader. Weltrade history. Weltrade has been in the game since 2006, originally operating under the name 𝗧𝗜𝗠𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃. With over 15 years of experience, they've built a solid reputation, especially in Asia, Africa, and Eastern Europe. Today, they serve traders in over 180 countries. Regulation and safety. When it comes to regulation, Weltrade is registered under FSCA, South Africa, Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSC, Mauritius, Financial Services Commission, plus offshore regulation under St. Vincent and the Grenadines. While they're not regulated by Tier 1 bodies like the FCA or SISEC, they still have a good reputation for transparent operations and fast payouts. Trading platforms. You'll be using industry standard platforms like MetaTrader 4, MT4, MetaTrader 5, MT5, mobile apps for Android and iOS, Trader Room, dashboard for managing funds and bonuses. Why this matter? MT4 and MT5 give you full control, indicators, A's, and fast order execution. Perfect for scalpers, swing traders, and automated strategies. Account types, fees, and spreads. Weltrade offers multiple account types to suit different traders. Micro accounts for beginners. Start trading with as low as 1 million. Premium account, low spreads, ideal for serious traders. Pro account, raw spreads from 0.0 pips last commission crypto. Account for copy trading, fees, competitive spreads, zero or low commission, depending on the account. Instant deposits and withdrawals via crypto, cards, or local banks. What makes Weltrade unique? 1. Personal account manager, even for small traders. Weltrade assigns a personal manager to every client, even with a small deposit. Get help with account setup, strategy tips, and quick support. 2. Instant withdrawals 24/7, real-time instant withdrawals even on weekends. 3. 24/7 customer support available via live chat, WhatsApp, email, and phone. 4. Crypto-focused account plus wallet integration trade 40+ crypto pays 24/7 with their dedicated crypto account and integrated wallet. 5. Up to 100% deposit bonus. Weltrade offers generous deposit bonuses and regular promo campaigns. Why this matters? Double your trading capital, more margin to hold trades. Great for small deposits, $50 to $100. Like the video if you're getting value so far. ZuluTrade integration for easy copy trading. Weltrade is officially integrated with ZuluTrade, a leading copy trading platform. Why this matters? Beginners can automatically copy professional traders. No trading knowledge needed to earn a great passive income option. Is Weltrade trustworthy? With over 15 years of operational history, Weltrade offers global access with a strong local understanding for both beginners and pros. Don't forget, click the link below or check the pinned comment to sign up with Weltrade and get access to the same tools I use, plus bonuses. Pros of Weltrade: fast, easy withdrawals, MT4, MT5, plus crypto accounts, bonuses and promotions, low entry barrier, copy trading with ZuluTrade. Cons of Weltrade: not regulated by Tier 1 authorities like the FCA. Education section is basic. Some countries are restricted. My honest opinion of Weltrade: as a trader and affiliate, I've tested dozens of brokers, and Weltrade stands out for its speed, flexibility, and asset variety. It's not the most heavily regulated, but the instant withdrawals, crypto options, and 24/7 support make it a solid choice, especially for traders in Africa or Asia. If you are ready to start trading with Weltrade, I've dropped my official referral link below. Sign up and enjoy instant payouts, bonuses, and a smooth trading experience. Like this video, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest broker reviews. And check out the video on how to create a Weltrade account.